Not a herp, but definitely one of my favorite insects. Let me see. Oh. Come on. I think this is a Carolina mantis. Don't quote me on it, there's a lot of different species. But these guys are pretty cool. They are the ultimate insect predator. They can take on most things. This one's a little bit bigger, so I think it's a female. They're a lot larger than the males. But yeah, as far as insects go, this thing can probably eat whatever it wants, whether it's ants, bugs, spiders, whatever it comes across. Like I said, slow day for herping, but pretty cool find. Nice. First visual herp of the day. Hard to see. It's the glare of the water. There, it's a better look. It's a green frog. He's underwater right now. Pretty cool. They're really common in this stream. This whole thing last week flooded. You could see all the vegetation that got pushed down right there. So even though the flood was pretty serious, it actually made a lot of this hikeable right here. So you can see where all that got pushed down. Yeah, pretty cool though. Lots of stuff to flip. Hopefully we'll find something else other than frogs and mantises. Cool. There's so many tiny minnows swimming in this creek right here. Almost everywhere. If you're not careful, it almost seems like you're going to step on them. Perfect habitat for either a garter or a water snake. But it's pretty hot out, so I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see any snakes, but still pretty cool. First snake of the week. Beautiful northern ringneck. Decent size too. Stay still. Love these guys. Flipped him under this rock right here. Oh. These guys are cool. They never bite. They're probably my favorite snake to handle. All they do is try to burrow into your hand. It's always a neat find though. Like I said, a lot of them that I've caught were really, really little. See that beautiful yellowish orange pattern on their stomach? These guys mainly eat earthworms, salamanders, slugs, stuff like that. Anything they can catch. Alright. He's not going to stand still. Come here. Oh, no. Come here. Slippery. One thing about these guys is they do stink. They let out a hell of a musk. But I'm going to put him back under this rock because probably thinks I'm going to eat him. Go ahead. Cool, finally a snake. So, first snake of the morning. It is another ringneck. This one is much smaller than the one yesterday. Flipped it right under this rock, sitting on this dead stump. And almost didn't even see it. Thought it was, I saw so many worms today. Yeah, this one is a lot smaller. You're just a little baby. But yeah, it's most common to find these guys under rocks and logs. They're fossorial, so it's not often you'll see them out on the crawl, and that's where they find most of their food, is under different forest debris anyway. But I'd like to find something else other than a ringneck, but you know, this one's little. He's got a beautiful pattern. Got the perfect yellowish orange ring around his neck. It's a snake. And first herp of the day too. Well, I saw a frog earlier, but getting tired of green frogs. No offense to them. Cool. No snakes at this location, but pretty amazing scenery. Just about to leave this spot because I wasn't finding anything, and I'd look up and see this guy chilling out on this concrete wall. Well, he just left. That was a black rat snake. It's been like the most common species I found up here. Oh, he was going quick. So I'm flipping for hognoses right here at my buddy's property. And I didn't find any actual hognoses under here. I saw a little baby 5-line skink, but he got away. But I found these, and I think these are, I'm going to look them up, but these are probably hognose eggs. So female actually laid a clutch right here, so my buddy might be having some baby hognoses at his house. That's pretty cool. I'll take it. So I didn't find the actual hognose, but found the hognose's favorite food. That's just a baby American toad. Just call him hopping around as I'm flipping around this property. These guys are pretty common. I see them all the time, even at my house. But yeah, they're one of my favorites. Great pest control. Eat any bug they can catch. Alright, I'll put you down. Finally found a snake. Little Dekay's brown snake. Just a smaller fossorial species. Pretty cool. Flipped him right under this stone right here. These guys don't get much bigger than this.
Is that right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So that's a mature one.
Yep. Or this might be a juvenile one. They might get a little bit bigger.
What do they eat? So I guess bugs or whatnot?
Slugs.
Slugs?
That's their favorite food, is slugs.
Really?
Slugs and earthworms.
They can eat a slug? The slug is much bigger than that.
They'll find a way. Pretty cool.
Yeah, I've had plenty of slugs around here too.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to put you back where I found you. Nice find. Not a snake, but one of the more wild looking mushrooms I've ever seen. Not sure what kind that is. It's nuts. So I went to catch a skink and his tail came off. And even though they grow it back, I still hate doing that because they need their tail. Yeah, so I'm mad at myself about that. But at least he's alive. But still, like I said, it's not cool to do that, you know, but he'll grow it back. Yeah, just needed to tell on myself. Could be nothing, but you never know. Flip this random board, go side of the road. Oh, it looked good. Probably all we're gonna find for today. We'll see.